This is the Blackview model Wave 8C 64 GB. I've had this phone for some time. There's a video of me unboxing it. I'll link it in the description. But right now I'll show you how slow and laggy this phone is. Right now it's turned off. Let me turn it on. It comes with Android Go edition. I don't know what Android Go edition is. If anybody knows about this, let me know. Probably the startup time is not that bad, but once it starts up, I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so from the time I enter the code, phone is starting. Okay, I guess that loading time wasn't that bad. I think most phones are like this. But if I now start, you can see already that the scrolling is not that good. If I start YouTube, for example, how long it takes to start the app. In this day and age, this is not a good time. So if I do this, I already clicked on it. It takes ages to respond. Still loading. Sound starts first. I can't see the video. Okay, this. Now let's suppose that you want to start another app. For example, I start Reddit. Notice the loading time of the app. Now there are two apps running. Look at the scroll time of the scroll, lag in the scroll. Look at this. And if you add one more app, this phone literally becomes unusable. You will really struggle with it. This was for £89 sterling on Amazon, I think. I would suggest you to spend some more money and buy a better phone. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.